Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the engine oil in your Hyundai Accent. First, gather all your supplies, including 4 quarts of new engine oil, a new oil filter, and a drain pan. Safety is paramount, so always use jack stands to support your vehicle securely after lifting it. Make sure the engine is warm, but not hot, as this helps the old oil drain more efficiently. Next, place your drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug, usually found at the bottom of the oil pan. Using a wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug, allowing all the old engine oil to flow completely into the pan. Once fully drained, clean the drain plug and install a new crush washer before securely tightening it back into place. Now locate the old oil filter, often near the engine block. Use an oil filter wrench to loosen and remove it, being mindful of any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. This ensures a proper seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it feels snug, then give it an additional 3/4 of a turn. Finally, remove the oil fill cap and carefully pour in the recommended amount of new engine oil, typically around 4 quarts for your Accent. Replace the cap, then wait a few minutes for the oil to settle. Check the oil level using the dipstick, adding more if needed. Start the engine for about 30 seconds, then turn it off and inspect for any leaks around the drain plug and filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.